So to remove the this panel right there, you gotta move the vents. You got one there, one other screw there. I took it out already. And then you yank these off. And then you got 1, 2, 3, and then the panel comes off. Just got a pry tool here and just pry out and pop it all out. Gotta take out that factory amp, and we gotta find out how to reach those screws in there. And that's how the adapter plugs in, not to the back of the head unit. Okay, so we took out that stupid amp from here. Had to use some pliers and small screw. Where's the bit? I had to use like this, because you cannot reach a screwdriver in there. And then the harness from Crutchfield connects to the amp connections right there. Not the ones that come out of those that come out of the head unit. So this is the way we reach the screws for this amp. It was super tight. You couldn't fit a screwdriver, so we had to go super slow with that. Took forever. So we're taking off the OEM brackets from the head unit, transfer them onto the new one. Okay, so factory bracket, and this is to like make it look clean in the front like that. So we got the Bluetooth mic, and then the USB right there. Ran off.
All you did was prove me wrong. When you said you loved me, well, you must have had your fingers crossed. I want all the tears back that I cried, all the hours spent giving.
Can put backup camera and the aux.
Advice on how to write your songs. All you did was.
Okay, so to take off the door panels is here, there, and you gotta pop this off. You screwdriver, pry that off, and then you got here, and then you just pop the door panel off for the back. It's pretty simple. Just got there, same thing. Like you gotta just put a screwdriver in here and pop this up and pop the bottom off. And then you got one more screw down there, and I just put my foot like this and just yank on the panel and it comes off. And then the 6.5 speakers, they just bolt right up. And you got the harness connector from Crutchfield.